Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You already know the essentials: Python basics, Git, and one web or automation framework. Once ready, choose a narrow, useful project that solves a concrete problem for real users. Make it completable in 1-2 weeks. Start coding today. Initialize a public GitHub repo, add a clear README, and include basic automated tests. This proves habit and delivery. Also write a short project summary you can paste into messages when networking or applying to jobs. You must turn hobby code into evidence of skill. Once done with the first project, build 2 more that show range: web app, data processing, and an automation or CLI. Make each repo production ready. Clean commits, setup instructions, screenshots, a short demo GIF, and a clear description of your role and trade-offs. Deploy when possible or record a 2-minute walkthrough. Then publish links on GitHub and a 1-page portfolio. Make sure recruiters can click and see runnable proof. Now you act like a candidate who can deliver. Apply to targeted roles with a short value pitch and your best project link. Follow up after 5 business days. Simultaneously, contribute a small fix to an open source repo and ask alumni for quick chats. Practice whiteboard and behavioral interviews, record and improve. If responses are low, iterate. Upgrade a project with tests or deployment, or take a small paid freelance job to convert experience into credibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.